Greg Kelly here from RV Rental Outlet. I'm here at another one of my favorite destinations, Goldfield Mining Camp, with the Superstition Mountains in the backdrop. I go out, I take a look at all of the great museums, all of the great artwork and all the history here, and then I stop at the Mammoth Saloon and I have myself a great steak and a drink. I'm going to introduce you to a friend of mine, Mr. Ron Eagle. Mr. Ron Eagle is a staple up here at Goldfield Mining Camp. And Ron, I brought you in, what's the winter hours here at Goldfield?
Presently, the winter hours are 11 a.m., 7 days a week until closing time, which could be anywhere between 12 p.m. and midnight.
So 7 days a week, you've got all kinds of time from the morning hours when it's nice and cool till the evening hours when it's nice and cool to bring the family down, enjoy the town, enjoy the scenery, have a bite to eat, and then go stay over at Lost Dutchman State Park. They have a great facilities for camping. They're also open 7 days a week. So check into us at www.rvrentaloutlet.com. Arizona Outdoors, get out there.